Allow me to take you through the latest news break that is coming in with what we'd witnessed in Goa. The Luthra brothers are en route to Patiala House Court. They were arrested, they were brought back from Thailand, and now anytime will be produced before the duty magistrate at the Patiala House Court. The Delhi Police Crime Branch is assisting the Goa police. All of this at the back of how the brothers had fled the night after the incident had taken place at their own restaurant and club in Goa, had fled to Thailand. They were then deported back, and now they're being taken to Patiala House Court, where they will be produced before the duty magistrate. They've both applied for bail already. I want to cut across to my colleague Shivani, who's joining us live. Shivani, what more can you add?
Preeti, I'm right now outside the Patiala House Court, where the police has made arrangements, security arrangements. The barriers have been placed out here. And what we are being told by the sources that the Luthra brothers, who landed at Delhi airport exactly on the 10th day of this whole incident, were now taken to the Dwarka hospital for a medical checkup. And after that medical, they are en route to Patiala House Court, where they will be produced before the duty magistrate, and the lawyers from all the three parties, the Delhi police, the Goa police and the Luthra brothers lawyers will be present there. And Goa police would be seeking a transit remand so that they can be taken to Goa for further investigations and trials. So now we are waiting for this Luthra brother duo to be here. You can see what is the arrangement out here like. The police is here, extra force has been deployed. There are police barriers which are placed out here. So anytime they will be now reaching the Patiala House Court, where the action will proceed further, where the lawyers will be seeking, the Goa police lawyers, in fact, they will be seeking the trial remand so that the Luthra brothers can be taken to Goa as soon as possible. Preeti.
Shivani, in all of this, both the brothers had already preempted and applied for bail. What's the status on that? Are they going to be under arrest? What is the latest on that?
Preeti, certainly looking at the sections under which the FIRs have been lodged, they want interim bail, but they will be certainly denied because the lawyers of the Goa police, they have solid reasons. They have all the reasons why they should be given the police custody, why they should be taken into remand, because the investigations have to be completed. Both these brothers, they fled actually at the time of rescue, when there was fire on their property, when people were dying. They just fled the area. They did not inform the police, and they were absconding until the Interpol arrested them, detained them, and they were brought here after the due process. So now they are here, and the investigation is to be done further. So certainly the Goa police has all the reasons why they should not be granted interim bail. There are questions that need to be asked, investigations made, and for that reason there are chances that they will be taken into custody. They will be granted that transit remand to the Goa police, and then they will be taken further for investigation, where they will be facing the trial for the serious charges against them, because they not only flouted the laws, but they also fled the incident site right in the middle of the night when people were dying out there.
Shivani, thank you for joining us. We're going to continue to come to you. My colleague Shivani is reporting right now from the Patiala House Court, where both the Luthra brothers have been taken and will be produced in front of the duty magistrate. We'll keep you updated on what is decided there.